So guys, how are you all? I'm Harika. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Shine Like Harika. So guys, first of all, so sorry for posting this video late. Of course, I recorded this vlog like 2 days back on Sunday, 31st October, end of the month, and yeah, I have actually a lot of reasons to tell you guys for not posting the videos. So whatever, before entering to the vlog or before starting the vlog, if you have Insta and want to know more about me, please do follow in my Insta, and my Insta ID is shine underscore like underscore Harika. So now without any further delay, let's get this video started. So guys, before telling you the reason why didn't I post the videos, let me tell you where are we going. So we are going to Sangi temple. So this is the second time I'm going. The first time I went in my childhood, like when I was third, fourth, fifth classes, like that. I didn't remember exactly. So yeah, whatever. So it took as actually I enjoyed the whole day, the whole Sunday, and I was too tired too after coming back home. Why? Because after going to Sangi temple, we went somewhere, some other place. I and my brother only. So guys, actually there is one more reason we are going to this temple, because we cannot go totally for 1 year, like outside our house, or like our trip. Of course we can go for functions, but we can't go to any trips because there is a reason. Actually there is a good news that we can't go for a year out. The good news is that we are reconstructing our house, like we are demolishing our old house, like the house which we are staying right now, we are gonna demolish it and we are gonna reconstruct it. So to reconstruct our new house, we have to shift to another house, right? So we actually have a flat to the next colony. So yeah, we have shifted. It almost became like 2 to 3 weeks. So of course I didn't tell the news to you guys because I was so busy with my college work and shifting work. So like yesterday only we have shifted, the total complete process has completed, and yeah, we have totally shifted to this flat or house, whatever, apartment, whatever you can call it. Of course this flat is a little bit congested, but it's okay, because we have to build a new house because we are having so many problems with that house. So that's why. And one more thing, let me tell you, let me clearly explain you about our new house, about the reasons why we are constructing or we are demolishing this house in a separate video, because I can't tell the whole thing in this video, because as I'm shooting a vlog I cannot tell you about the house, right? So I wanted to make a separate video about this house. So like in detail, I just want to explain you in detail. So just wait for few months, so that I can explain you in detail and you guys can understand it. And yeah, I try my level best to upload the videos regularly. So I'm free right now, and of course I'm not totally free, I'm a little bit free, I'm getting free. So yeah, and I have prepared some videos also. So yeah, now let's continue the vlog.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name.
So guys, it totally took us like 1 hour to go to the Sangi temple. If there is traffic, it may take 1 hour, 1.5 hour, or 2 hours also. But if the traffic is not there, you can go just only 45 minutes. So the Sangi temple is located in outskirts of Hyderabad, known for its peaceful and pollution-free environment. So guys, before telling about the Sangi temple, let me tell you the some details about reaching into the temple. So there are two ways to reach the temple, to the main temple. So the first way to reach the temple is by the steps. You can reach the temple through climbing the steps. So, and there are totally 150 steps to climb and to reach the main temple. And the main god of this temple is Venkateshwara Swami. And so by entering to the temple, immediately they'll give a ticket for the car parking, and and they will charge you 50 rupees, guys. So this is the first way you can reach through steps, through climbing the steps. And the second way to reach the temple is by parking your car to the second place. So this is the first place where you can park your vehicles, your car, your bike, scooty, whatever. You can park your vehicles here and you can climb to the steps. And if you don't want to climb it, if you don't want to climb, and you can go just parking your car to the second place. And yeah, so coming to the timings of the temple are it opens at 8 a.m. in the morning and closes at 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and again opens at 4 p.m. at evening and closes at 8 p.m. in the night. And sometimes, like in festivals, the timings may differ. So yeah, and coming to the timings, the actual timings, like in regular days from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. the temple remains closed, guys. So you cannot go. If you go also, the temple will not be open, so you cannot enjoy it. So this is the second place where we can park our vehicles. As we went on Sunday, there were so many vehicles. So yeah, now let me tell you about the temple. So, guys, this temple was named after the Sanghi family who constructed the temple, and the main architect of the temple was Sri Ganapati Stapati, who was Padma Shri Award winner in temple architecture. And it is situated on a hill named as Paramananda Giri, where one see a huge Mahadwaram or a walkway welcomes visitors. So this beautiful temple is built in the style of Chola Chalukya architecture and hosts all the important idols of Hindu god. So guys, you can not only see the only Venkateshwara Swami, you can see so many Hindu gods here. And the temple was built in the year of 1991, and the specialty of this temple was it was only built in just 18 months. And this was built by the a leading industrial group of southern India, Sanghi group. And one more specialty of this temple is the Raja Gopuram, which is very tall, can be seen from several kilometers away. And this is the history of the temple. And so this is the main history of the temple, guys. So the main reason the people gets attracted to this temple is a peaceful nature and the environment and the greenery here. So as it is located on top of a small mountain, the peaceful nature will attract you a lot. And if you come with your family, you can enjoy a lot here. And let me tell you an important thing, there are a lot of monkeys, guys, in this temple, and we were so scared about it. And so this is the main you know opening or main entrance of the temple. So after entering to the main entrance, you can see quite opposite to that, you can see a Gajastambam. And there behind that you can see a Lord Venkateshwar Swami temple. So this is the main temple. So Venkateshwar Swami is the main god. And after the Venkateshwar Swami, like the both side of the Venkateshwar Swami temple, you can see several gods temples too. So, and again I'm telling you guys, be aware with the monkeys. And here you can see a lot of photos. And the people who and the names of the people who constructed this temple. So yeah, enjoy this vlog. So guys, after entering to the main temple, to the Venkateswara Swami temple, if you want to do archana, they'll charge you 100 rupees for the archana. So guys, after visiting the temple, it took us like 1 to 2 hours for visiting, and and it became like 1:30, around 1:30, and so we went for lunch to a hotel called Akshara Grand Hotel. And after that, I and my brother went to my friend's house. Actually, my friend's brother and my brother are best friends, and they are also both classmates. So yeah, so I and my brother went to her house, and after that, like, we played up to 3 to 4 hours. So we enjoyed a lot there. So yeah, we stayed there up to 7 o'clock, and after that my dad picked us. So, and we went home, and that's it. The day has ended very well on Sunday, so I enjoyed a lot. So I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, keep learning, take care, and bye bye.